What makes communication effective in a business setting? This video explores the factors influencing communication within organizations. Discover how organizational structures, channels, and cultures shape communication effectiveness. This unit aims to enhance your understanding of communication practices in organizations. You'll explore different modes and channels used in business communication. Additionally, you'll develop and apply your communication skills. These skills are vital for meeting organizational requirements. Let's delve into the factors impacting communication effectiveness. Organizational structure significantly impacts communication. In hierarchical structures, messages flow from top to bottom, risking delays and distortion. Flat structures promote direct communication, enhancing clarity and speed. However, they may cause information overload. Understanding these dynamics helps in choosing effective communication strategies. Choosing the right communication channel is crucial. Email, face-to-face, and phone calls each have their merits. The context and urgency of information dictate the best choice. Technology's availability and reliability also play a role. Effective channels ensure messages are clear and timely. Cultural nuances influence communication effectiveness. Language differences can create barriers. Embracing diversity and inclusion bridges these gaps. Clear, inclusive language is crucial for understanding. Organizations benefit from promoting a culture of inclusivity. Communication skills of individuals are vital. Clarity, conciseness, and listening abilities enhance communication. Regular training improves these skills. Well-trained employees communicate more effectively. This leads to better organizational outcomes. Psychological factors affect communication. Employees' perceptions and attitudes shape message interpretation. High motivation and morale foster open communication. Engaged employees share information effectively. Addressing psychological aspects improves communication. The physical environment influences communication. Workspace design affects interaction ease. Open-plan offices encourage communication. Noise and distractions hinder focus. A conducive environment promotes effective communication. Organizational culture shapes communication. Openness and transparency encourage information sharing. Trust and respect are foundational. Without them, fear and misunderstanding arise. A positive culture enhances communication. Team cohesion impacts communication. High cohesion fosters open dialogue and support. It encourages idea sharing and problem solving. Lack of cohesion leads to silos and reluctance. Promoting cohesion enhances team performance. Personal conflicts create communication barriers. Individuals may avoid interaction or misinterpret messages. This reduces collaboration and efficiency. Conflict resolution strategies are essential. Mediation and dialogue restore communication channels. Favoritism undermines trust and communication. It leads to resentment and disengagement. Transparent policies for recognition are crucial. Fairness promotes a culture of meritocracy. This mitigates favoritism's negative effects. Hierarchical structures impact communication flow. They streamline decision-making but can create bottlenecks. Excessive hierarchies slow information flow. Clear hierarchies ensure accountability. Balancing structure and communication is key. Line managers facilitate communication. They act as liaisons between management and staff. Effective managers ensure accurate information flow. Poor management leads to miscommunication. Line management is crucial for engagement. Nonverbal communication is powerful. Tone of voice, body language, and active listening matter. Positive cues reinforce messages. Negative cues create confusion. Managing nonverbal elements enhances communication. Tone of voice conveys emotions and attitudes. A friendly tone enhances engagement. A harsh tone contradicts messages. Vocal quality impacts perception. Tone is crucial in oral communication. Body language adds context to words. Positive cues like eye contact reinforce messages. Negative cues like crossed arms contradict them. Gestures and expressions convey meaning. Understanding body language is vital. Active listening involves full concentration. It includes nodding and maintaining eye contact. Positive listening shows value for the message. Lack of listening undermines communication. Active listening fosters mutual understanding. Nonverbal cues can reinforce or contradict messages. Consistent cues strengthen communication. Inconsistent cues create confusion. Positive feedback encourages speakers. Managing cues is key to effective communication. Communication effectiveness depends on multiple factors. Organizational structures and cultures play roles. Nonverbal elements like tone and body language matter. Understanding these factors enhances communication strategies. Effective communication leads to organizational success. In conclusion, understanding the factors that impact the effectiveness of communications in business is essential for ensuring clear, efficient, and meaningful interactions. Elements such as communication channels, organizational culture, technology, message clarity, and individual communication skills can all influence how information is shared and received. By recognizing these factors, organizations can address barriers, improve communication strategies, and foster an environment where messages are understood accurately and promptly. Effective communication strengthens teamwork, enhances decision-making, and contributes to overall business success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.